Hello viewers, are you experiencing WhatsApp DP not showing problem? Don't worry, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp DP not showing problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all go to Play Store and then tap on Search app. Search for WhatsApp. Now update your WhatsApp if available any update version. After completing update process, now go to settings. And then scroll down, find apps or apps management option. Now go to apps or apps management option. Now find WhatsApp from the app list. Tap on WhatsApp. Now scroll down. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache. Only clear cache. And then go back. Now tap on force stop. Tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen. Now restart your phone. Press and hold on power button. And then restart your phone. After completing all process, hopefully your problem will be solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.